Hi everyone, and today I just unboxed my new speaker for my TV as well as my mobile. This is a Bluetooth speaker which comes with. It is not a battery. It comes not. It does not comes with battery. So it has a cord. So you have to supply power to it to use it with your device. So right now, I just plugged it to the power, as you can see, and it comes with aux cable as well as the Bluetooth. So I can connect my mobile via aux cable as well as the Bluetooth. So right now I have connected mobile with this speaker, and I'll show you the demo. Right now it is connected via Bluetooth of my mobile, so I'm going to test it directly, guys, here without wasting time. So let's see. So I went through lots of, guys, speaker, wireless speaker, but I didn't get the satisfaction after seeing the backup timing of the speaker. So I thought I should go for the power or the cord Bluetooth speaker. So let's see. And it has, guys, on the box it's mentioned that there is a 3 woofer by 11, and that's a speaker, guys. You can use it for your mobile as well as the TV. So yeah, hope you like it. If you want to purchase this speaker, just go through the guys link given in the description. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.